I'm Johnny Rich, a senior tax analyst with Block Advisors. We're going to discuss a few things you should know about small business taxes today. As a small business owner, you should know the type of entity you are, your tax deadline, and where your records are that you've kept all year long. Small business tax deadlines vary by the type of entity you are. The partnership and S corporation are due mid-March, where your sole proprietor and your C corporation tax deadline are due in mid-April. When you prepare for your tax appointment, you need to prepare all your income and expense documents. Your most common small business tax deduction are your home office expenses and your vehicle expenses. Many small business owners don't know that their small business tax preparation fee is a business deduction. If you make a mistake on your tax return, you could incur penalties and interest, so it is important to contact a Block Advisors Tax Pro to get it filed correctly. If you're worried about your small business taxes, visit blockadvisors.com, where a small business tax pro can assist you.